Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my extreme deep conditioning Ayurvedic treatment. This treatment is great for damaged hair as well as promote hair growth. Some of these ingredients have been used for hundreds of years to help deeply moisturize and condition natural hair. So this treatment is essential to use if you have tons of heat damage, color treated hair, any type of damaged hair, and I'm super excited to bring you this easy DIY treatment today. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop into it. So the first thing you're gonna need is a base, so a conditioner. So I like to use my deep conditioner, which is our black rice water deep conditioner. So this conditioner has fermented black rice water, which has been used for centuries due to its numerous vitamins, minerals, and overall health benefits that it possesses. This conditioner is also paired with essential oils such as castor oil, amla, eucalyptus. So all these ingredients combined make this conditioner great as a base for this treatment. Depending on how long and thick your hair is how much conditioner that you want to use. So I like to use about 5 tablespoons of this conditioner for this treatment. All right, so the next ingredient you're going to be using is amla. So we just made this product available on Maryam, Hampton.com, and our amla is certified organic, 100% raw amla, imported from subtropical India. Our amla is lab tested for purity, and it has no detectable impurities or bacteria. So our amla is the absolute cleanest amla powder available. And if you never use amla, you're definitely missing out because amla is absolutely amazing at conditioning hair and skin. It stimulates hair growth, strengthens the scalp and hair, prevents dandruff or dry scalp, and prevents any type of scalp infection. So I'm using about 2 tablespoons in this treatment. All right, so the next thing you're gonna need is chebe powder. So chebe, a little goes a long way. You're only gonna need about 1 tablespoon of this for this treatment. And if you guys didn't know, we recently just launched our chebe collection on MaryamHampton.com. So we have our chebe powder, our chebe butter, and our maximum strength chebe hair growth oil. So chebe is another super powerful ingredient, and I've been using it for years, and it's really made a huge difference in the health of my hair. Our chebe powder is 100% authentic, unfiltered chebe powder sourced straight from Chad, Africa. So chebe powder has been used in Chad for many years for health growth and length retention. Chebe powder is made with seeds that are individually roasted and grounded into powder, and our chebe powder is extremely finely ground. Chebe powder has been used for generations by the women of Chad to grow long, healthy hair. I have quite a few videos on chebe. I will link them all down below in the description box so you can check it out, get more information, and learn more about it. Alright, so the last ingredient you're going to need is our maximum chebe infused hair growth oil. So this oil is our newest oil, and it's a part of our chebe collection as well. It is our most powerful oil yet. This hair growth oil will change your life. Like, it's so amazing. And this hair growth oil has 56 all-natural herbs and oils in it. And you can compare that to our maximum strength oil that has 39 and our original hair growth oil that has 12. I might need to pause this video so you can see the list of amazing herbs and oils that are in this oil. We did a clinical test study and participants saw new hair growth within the first 3 days. Y'all, this oil is the truth. You're not gonna find another oil with this many ingredients and this powerful on the market. So you're only gonna need about 2 full drops of this oil for this treatment, and then you're gonna mix all of the ingredients together, and it should look something like this. All right, so my hair was stretched out, but I'm gonna hop into the shower and cleanse my hair. I like to do this treatment on clean hair. Alright, so I like to focus this treatment on my scalp as well as my ends, but of course apply it to the entire length of your hair. Make sure that you evenly distribute the product all over your hair to get the best results and best benefits from all the ingredients. I also like to flip my head over and use our Ultimate Scalp Stimulating Scalp Massager brush to really massage my scalp and make sure that all the ingredients are really getting to my scalp and giving my hair the benefits that it needs. After you're done applying it, it should look like this. So you can go ahead and put your hair into a bun and let that sit for overnight. I like to let it sit overnight, don't rinse it out. And then the next day, you can go ahead and just rinse it out. Alright, so this is my hair the next day, and this is my hair about 70% dry. And then this is my hair 100% dry. Okay, so I like to spray a little bit of our sunflower seed hydrating mist on my hair, and then I'm good to go. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Maryam J. Hampton at MH Hair Growth, and you can shop all of your hair growth needs at MaryamHampton.com. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!